Abby, what have we done in the kitchen here? It's made quite a mess. It's pretty much cleared out the cupboards. Abigail. Hey. What have you done? Are you pretty proud of yourself? Woo! Always into something right now. She's nearly soon be 9 months. Alright. Climbing up me now. Hi. Getting little bruises on her face. And ya? Hi. Little thumbsucker. Good night. I'm gonna go to bed now.